Hopies identify good smell and bad smell. "What's that smell?" asked Hopie, wrinkling her little nose. "Let's go on a smell adventure and find out." Hopie tiptoed to the oven where Mommy was baking. That's a good smell," she said, sniffing the warm, sweet scent of cookies. In the garden, Hopie found a beautiful rose. She leaned in close and took a big sniff. "Wow, flowers smell so sweet," she giggled. Suddenly, a stinky smell filled the air. "P.U.," cried Hopie, holding her nose. "Daddy's taken out the trash." Next, Hopie followed a fresh, clean smell to the laundry room. "Mommy's washing our clothes," she said, burying her face in a pile of clean towels. In the bathroom, Hopie found a bar of soap. "This smells so bubbly and nice," she said, pretending to wash her hands. But then, she smelled something not so nice. Oh, she whispered. "I think my teddy bear needs a bath." Hopie and Mommy gave her teddy bear a bath with lots of bubbles. "Now he smells all clean and fresh." Hopie cheered. "I know all about smells now," said Hopie proudly. "Good smells make me happy, and bad smells tell me something needs a wash." Hopie snuggled into her clean, fresh-smelling bed with her clean teddy bear. "Good night, smelly world," she whispered, drifting off to sleep.
Hopie identify good smell and bad smell.
Subscribe Hopie and friends.